Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Escalade door handle, full guide. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery, then remove the inner door panel screws and clips with a trim tool, keeping track of fasteners in a container. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs and label connectors as you disconnect them. Keep a clean workspace and a magnetic tray nearby to catch any loose screws and small parts during disassembly. Use a flashlight to inspect the inner door cavity and locate the handle mounting bolts and linkage. Carefully peel back the vapor barrier and remove any foam obstructing access, keeping the barrier intact for reassembly. Unbolt the handle mounts and unclip the linkage using a flat tool, taking note of orientation for later. Handle the rods gently to avoid bending them and set all removed hardware in an organized order for reinstallation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them during long garage sessions and they save me pain. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and gear that I use in these videos. Now let's get back to the video. With bolts and linkage removed, push the handle outward and slide it free from the exterior trim opening. Compare the replacement handle to ensure clips and mounting points match exactly before installing. Reinstall the handle by reversing the removal steps, securing bolts and reconnecting the linkage clip, then test the latch and lock operation before replacing the door panel. Reattach the vapor barrier and trim, then test the window and locks for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.